Baines, Beisel, Kramer, and Macy, 2019, defined humor as a message being deconstructed differently by two individuals that resulted in positive emotions or laughter. Humor was considered an effective instructional instrument due to previous research demonstrating positive outcomes in traditional classrooms, such as higher teaching evaluations, increased learning, reduced stress, increased group cohesion, increased fondness with instructor and peer, and content becoming more noteworthy. While the traditional classroom was focused on instructing knowledge, an alternative setting, particularly training athletes, was focused on instructing physical skills. The athlete's identity and instructor's relationship differentiate in a traditional classroom versus training athletes. An athlete's identity in a traditional classroom allows for them to segment their academic and social life, while these components become more intertwined in an athletic setting. While the instructor-student relationship in an athletic setting also become intertwined due to the exhaustion of resources applied to train the physical skills. Therefore, the analysis of humor within a gymnastics organization was used to provide a more holistic understanding of humor as an instructional instrument. For starters, an Axis proposal or description of the research project was not needed because of Alexis Reeder. Alexis Reeder took a course on humor by one of the authors and happened to be the founder of a gymnastics organization. Alexis Reeder understood the importance of humor as an instructional tool and thus personally invited the author into her organization and making her the gatekeeper. Once in the organization, humor was studied by using 3 different types of qualitative methods. There was a total of 22 interviews conducted. Those individual or participants who were interviewed included coaches, coach assistants, facility staff members, parents/guardians, and athletes. The first round of interviews served to identify, while the second interviews were to further understand the functionality of humor. The second method utilized was participant observation or field work by the authors and coaches. Participation, observation, or field work was defined as a method through which research generates understanding and knowledge by watching, interacting, asking questions, collecting documents, making audio or video recordings, and reflecting after the fact by Tracy in 2013. In this case, participation observation involved 2 authors observing 5 different sessions for 20 minutes. The recordings were the final method that involved 2 of the members of the coaching staff agreeing to wear a microphone through 2 days of instruction. Overall, the results paralleled previous literature on instructional humor and expanded on the use of metaphors and inspiring effort. Research question 1 revealed that humorous comments were related to body control issues, bodily functions, and individualized attention. The second research question revealed that humor served to distract athletes from the fear of physical harm, identity threatening, and relationship threatening. Research question 3 found that coaches negated the use of humor due to perceived danger and lack of effort. These findings added that the instructional humor literature, by highlighting the use of humor adapting to these contexts and humor messages being perceived as a reward to inspire effort.